Are you a home service business owner tired of facing the same challenges when it comes to online marketing? Are you frustrated with agencies that charge you an arm and a leg, offer no free trials, and lock you in to lengthy contracts? We understand the fears and the pain points that you're experiencing, and we're here to help. Here at Homeservice.co, we know that you're worrying about wasting your investments on low-quality leads and ineffective marketing strategies. You're afraid of being taken advantage of by agencies that don't deliver on their promises. We also understand your fear of missing out on opportunities to grow your business and the anxiety of falling behind your competitors. We know that stagnation is a concern, as is the fear of losing control of other areas of your business due to time-consuming marketing efforts. You want to stay up to date with the latest strategies, but fear becoming obsolete or making the wrong choices. And of course, you worry about the potential damage to your reputation and financial stability. So that's why we here at Homeservice.co is here to ease your fears and offer a comprehensive solution. With our 30-day free trial, you can experience our exceptional marketing services without any financial commitment at all. You will be able to see the results firsthand before you invest into our service, allowing you to make informed decisions with confidence. We've designed our services to specifically address your pain points, offering industry expertise, exclusive, cost-effective leads, and cutting-edge marketing strategies. Plus, we provide unparalleled support and a dedicated team to ensure your business goals are met. So don't let your fears hold you back. Start your 30-day free trial today and take control of your business future with Homeservice.co. Together, we'll help you grow your business and achieve the success you deserve. Click the link below to start your 30-day free trial now. Let's go.